Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's something you just don't get to see every day. This is an MGA, so a British MGA left-hand drive chassis that has been refurbished and is being readied to be built into a complete car. So kind of a fun view of a classic British sports car, which I've never seen before. And for proof of what I'm talking about, made in Argentina. That's kind of fun. That's my wedding anniversary. So the date is on it, and you can see the pass through the firewall. So here's the steering, where the steering rack will pass through. You can see the suspension design. It's kind of interesting the way they've integrated that into the suspension. Yeah, just neat details that you generally wouldn't see on a built car, of course. And you can see in where the shifter passes through right here. It looks like the e-brake is there. Yep, it has tension and everything. That's kind of fun. Now the rear suspension is fascinating to me anyway. You can see the leaf springs, but this is actually where the actuation occurs. That's an old school design. You won't see that on a modern car that I'm aware of. And if I put my weight on it, you can almost see it move. I'm not heavy enough to really make it move, but you can actually see the articulation in the suspension. So, in the random bucket of things that I get to see, I wanted to share it with all of you and hope that someone else might appreciate what's going on. So this is part of the steering rack, but not the piece that passes through the firewall. Need shim caliper. So there you go, folks. And left-hand drive, MGA frame, getting ready for the big time. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for viewing. Appreciate you. Bye-bye.